Hey there. Sitecore has published a changelog today introducing styling and file upload in XMCloud form. In my last video, I have covered regarding the styling. Please check the video link in the description. In this video, let's explore file upload. Here is the description. When building a form, you can now add the file upload item. This new field item lets users of the published form upload their own files. You can then configure the file upload field with the following restrictions: which file formats users can upload, the maximum number of files a user can upload, the maximum size of individual files, and of all the files within a single upload. So let's see this in action. This last part I couldn't find, but let's see this in action. So here I have opened one of the form in the form builder, and we can go to the items tab in left panel. Under fields, we can see we now have a file upload form element. We can drag and drop this on the form, and in order to edit its properties, we can select the form element. And here we have this restrictions like the maximum file size, single file size we can provide it here. By default it's 5 MB, so we can increase it up to 10 MB. So maximum 10 MB we can have for a single file size. Then default maximum number of file is 1, and this 2 we can increase up to 10. Yeah, so maximum number of files we can upload is 10. We can increase it up to 10. Then we can provide the file types that we want to allow. File extensions default are this list: JPEG, PDF, PNG, GIF, right? So beyond this file extensions, if we have any, then we can select those file extensions from this list. We can provide the form element name that we want to be shown in the JSON payload when the form is submitted to the given webhook. Then we can manage the label file upload. Then we have the help text. You can upload a maximum of count file. So this count is the token, and this will get replaced with the maximum number of files, and each with the size limit of size token is there. So this size token will get replaced with the max single file size value. Then we have the validation required, one or not. Then the styling stuff are there. Related to validation messages, we can manage in the options tab here, and under validation section, we can now see file type, file size, file number, and file error has been added. So if the file types are beyond this accepted file types, then it will give this file type error message: file type not supported. If the file size is beyond this limit, then file size, max file size is exceeded, error message will be shown. Then we have the maximum number of files. If this limit is exceeded, then this message is shown: file number, error message, max number of files exceeded. And then if any other issue happens while upload, this generic message: file error, file did not upload, message will be shown. Now if you create a new form now onwards, you will get this values in this panel here. For the older forms it will be blank, but even though this field values are blank for the older form, it does show the messages in the preview mode when I tested. So you can check that out. Just a note, if just in case for the already created forms. If you don't find any messages here, uh, maybe you can create a new form and copy all these values to the previous forms, and customize it further, customize the messages further if you want. Then let's test this. So I've given the maximum limit so far. So I'll quickly select all the files, 11 files. So limit is 10 files. So it will ignore the last file, as we can see it here, and it has also given the message, validation message, like max number of files exceeded. So it will give the related validation messages if any issue occurs. If you upload only few files within the limit itself, and it will get disabled, and once the files are uploaded it will get enabled, and then if you upload more files you can upload it. So let's this get finished. Okay, now let me submit this. Now, before the final submission, since I'm in preview mode, it's showing me the test data like this. Here, this URLs will not work. You can try this. It will not work. But when we submit this, let's submit this. So it has submitted, and here I can see this one. So this is the file upload name, and it has all this URLs, and this I can open here, and this is how it's loading. It takes time, but it will load. And the thing is, it will have the expiry value, expires value in Unix format. So this you can copy and just paste it here, and, and this is the time. So this time it will get expired. I'll just copy this here, and I'll pick up the posted time. Okay, yeah. So we can see it's around 28, 29 minutes. Uh, so and this is for the first file. Let's check for the last file here. This is just to understand how long the file URL will be available. Okay, so this is fine, and let me, okay, I can just copy this as well. So this too is around 29 within 30 minutes range. So this is just to get an idea how long the file URL will be. We just need to make sure within that time limit we process this data wherever we are submitting it. So this is it so far for today in for file upload, guys. Hope this helps. Thanks.